All right, so for this assignment, you guys are going to tell us about yourself. That way we can identify any similarities and differences that we have as a class. So, the instructions tell you to respond to at least 7 questions about yourself on the Padlet below. Remember, 5th grade students use complete sentences, starting with a capital letter and ending with punctuation. So, you've got a couple different questions that show up here. There are only 4 that show up initially. You have to slide from the right side of your screen to the left in order to be able to see the rest of the questions. Now remember that when you're posting online, we want to be safe and use good digital citizenship. So if you're going to respond to the question, favorite subject in school, you're going to click the plus sign under favorite subject in school. And then for the title, you're going to write your name, just your first name. Please do not post your last name. If you know that there's someone with the same first name as you, you can use your last initial, but please do not put your last name. All right, even though I did that because I'm your teacher. So, Ms. Hernandez is creating this video. And, of course, what would my favorite subject in school be? You guessed it, science. So I'm going to write in a complete sentence, my favorite subject in school is science. Remember that we always try to restate the question in our answer. So I'm going to click post there. So now my response comes up under favorite subject in school. What do you spend too much time doing? I'm going to add a plus sign there. Click the plus. Sometimes you have to click it more than once. Not really sure. Maybe it lags. Maybe you just have to hold it hard, like put your finger on it until it pops up. So remember, click on the title and put your name. First name only. And then a complete sentence answering the question. I spend too much time napping. I love to nap. If I can get 5 extra minutes, I'm usually going to nap. But power naps result in lots of extra energy so that I can get lots of other stuff done. So what is most important to you? This is the last example I'm going to give you guys. Most important to me, the most important thing to me is the relationships I have with others. Relationships with my family, with everybody, everything. That's probably the most important thing to me. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stop there. And then once you've finished, you can mark this assignment as complete after you've answered the 7 questions about yourself.